Hey everybody, this is Paul with Rare Dragon Fruit, and today we're going to teach you the full steps on how to build this trellis here. So there it is. We are going to show you step by step how to build it. It has a 20-gallon pot and it's made with concrete 3-inch drain pipe and steel rebar. So we'll show you what you do first. You got to dig the hole and find a good spot. Okay, so step one is find a good spot. It's about 10 feet away from everything. I want this variety to be in a part sun environment. So I selected a little screen of bamboo. And this is the afternoon, so you see it's in a part sun. Should be perfect. And I rammed this about 2 feet down. So I dug down about 18 to 20 inches and then hammered this down. And it's 4 foot tall. So it's 4 feet tall and it's 3/8 inch rebar. You could also use 1/2 inch rebar. I was using both, but this should be fine. So what you do next is you're going to put 3-inch drain pipe around it and fill this up with concrete. So I'm going to do that right now. Fill it up with concrete after I put in the 3-inch drain pipe. Okay? Okay, so your next step is to make sure that you get the concrete nice and liquidy, but not too liquidy. So just like that. Quickly fill up the hole with concrete. That's about 18 inches of concrete. The rebar and the drain pipe are about 24 inches or so in the ground. And then you want to stuff the top of this with concrete. But be careful, you're going to want to make sure you get that rebar centered like that, okay? So be careful, fill that up quickly. And then your next step is going to be to get it level. So make sure you get it nice and level, use a level. And after you do that, well, actually, before you do that, I like to drill these holes with the concrete wet and slide in this 1/2 inch rebar at 90-degree angles with a cap on the top. So that way I can let the concrete cure a little bit with this 1/2 inch rebar and this 1/2 inch drip line. And that way, look, that way it's easy to turn. So that way the concrete cures and you still can pull these in and out. Because tomorrow, I need to, I'm going to pull these off all the way in a little bit, and then I'm going to put the 20-gallon pot over this and cover this with soil. So I'll show you the next step tomorrow. Okay, so now the concrete's cured. You can see it's nice and plenty firm in there and definitely cured. So now the next step is you need to drill a nice hole in your pot, or 20-gallon pot, and remember there's concrete under there, so the gophers should not get into there. I'm going to add some more nice soil in here, and I'm also going to add 2 inches of perlite first. So I'll do perlite about 2 inches to about there. The rest will be Fox Farm potting soil. So that's what I'm going to do next, and then I'll show you how to do the wire mesh trellis and the burlap sack material next. Okay, so the final step is to get the burlap on nice and tight and put on that 2 by 2 foot wire mesh, because the 1/2 inch rebar I bought in 2 foot sections. So everything's 2 by 2, makes it nice and easy. I cut that steel wire mesh, and then I used UV rated zip ties, which are excellent, and then UV rated vinyl tubing, so when the dragon fruit plants climb over the top, they won't get cut. So this should definitely soften the metal, and there you have it. So the only thing I did wrong on this one is that you should have the burlap go into the soil. That way some of the moisture will come up and benefit the dragon fruit. So there you go. That is how you do this trellis here. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. It's really sturdy, and there will be 0 rot. That's the problem with wood, you know, they rot. So this is a nice setup. I'm excited to see it grow and definitely look cool. All right, take care.